Now, this isn't one we see every day. Now, the ladies down here at the boat ramp taking pictures for the gram, yeah, that's a common occurrence, but the ladies out enjoying a ladies' day on the boat, we don't see that one all that often. It's always a good one to see, though. But let's see how the ladies do trying to get this boat back onto the dock. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th Street. So, good approach pace. Never approach anything any faster than you're willing to hit it. Golden rule. Our girl in the bow's kind of reaching out to the dock like she's trying to go for it. I'm not sure. I mean, they're looking over to the dock, but I'm not 100% sure what they're trying to pull off. Because our girl's trimming the motor out of the water, and they're not on the dock yet. But there we go. They're going to go for the reach and the grab, and we're onto a pull now. And let's see how they decide to play this one. So, the girl in the bow didn't get off on the dock, though. She got off into the water. And our captain looks like she's getting off into the water as well. We're just going to skip the whole docking part altogether, it looks like. And we're just going to get off right here. I mean, we see this one down at 79th quite a bit, though, as well. Especially with the jet skis. The boys with the jet skis will roll up, roll those jet skis straight onto the concrete ramp, and go get their car. And it's like a 50-50 shot. Half the time when they come back, the ski's still there, and sometimes it's not. I mean, we wind up with skis back over here next to us in the camera all the time. So I guess instead of using the dock, we're just going to hold this here while somebody goes to get the truck. Now, after a few minutes of hanging out in the water down here at 79th, somebody did finally go get the truck. And the ladies, I don't think we're going to power load this one. It looks like our girl, she's walking behind the trailer. She's got to be careful because the trailers that's coming back will take her out. And she continues to back deeper into the water as the trailer comes down. She just needs to walk around it. There we go. And she's going to walk it around and try and drag the boat on. And this is always kind of a risky move down here at 79. As many of you have probably seen in the past, it is extremely slick down here. I don't know how to understate that. I mean, it's like a 50-50 shot when you touch the concrete here that's been wet before, whether you're even going to get a grip or you're just going to slide on in. So the ladies are trying to get it put on now. I mean, it definitely seems like it seems like an easy way of doing it, but it seems like a difficult way as well. I mean, easily somebody could have just hung out and drove this thing right on the trailer. They've got that trailer back down pretty deep, though. I'm assuming that's in an effort to be able to just walk it on like this and not have to try and power it up the trailer or spend a ton of time trying to use the winch getting it on. But there we go. They're walking it up. We've got it between the guide poles. And I think the ladies are going to be able to finish this one off. And here comes our next crew in on approach to the ramp. So we've got the old marine mat in the boat, but it looks like it's at least on the opposite side they're going to try and dock on. But they have lost with this there, probably one gunnel on that starboard side. So here we go. They come in on the dock. Cap comes in a little hot, kind of smacks it lightly. He's going to leave the helm to go for the grab, but he's too late on it. And our guy leaves the boat with no lines. So they weren't quite ready on this one. Cap's going to power it back and tosses the line. That was like the toss of frustration right there as he tossed the line up onto the dock. But our dude just left. I mean, he jumped off without a line in hand. And now he's going to give Cap the old kickoff here as we try and get this one pulled over to the side of the dock. So Cap kicks the stern back out again. I mean, he's got a stern line on the dock, so I guess our guy can pull that over. And there you go. He's got 2 feet on it as he hangs off the edge, but he should walk it over now. I don't quite know how to feel about this one. It's not something I personally would ever do. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts on this are. 1, the ski's only rated for 3 people. And obviously I understand 2 of the people on this vessel are extremely small, but still, it's not rated for 4. And I don't believe, I don't know that they're actually breaking any actual laws, so I can't judge on that at all. And it's actually, Florida's got some very strange laws on even, some people don't even know this. Did you know that there's no actual age limit to operate a boat in Florida? If you're 8 years old and you pass the boater safety course, you can actually drive a boat. Now, you can't a jet ski. There are age limits that you have to be able to drive a personal watercraft, but a boat, there's no age limit. But let me know, what's the earliest age you would take your child out on a jet ski? All 3 of these have 4 people on them. And as we mentioned earlier in the episode, the slick ramps here at 79th, we've got a stuck vehicle. They've been trying for a few minutes to get this boat out. And here we go. They've got the crew on the back of the truck, ready to rock and roll. Give it one more try. And it's going to be good. With all the boys on the back of the truck, it looks like they're going to be able to get it up and get it out of here. But they've been at this one for quite some time now. Just needed a little extra oomph, a little extra help on the bed of the truck to get them out. But thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.